Hey guys, thank you for visiting yourrealestate101.com. Today we want to talk about networking in real estate. If you don't know what networking is, it's the basic idea of networking is making connections with others that can help you in your business. This can be clients or people who you can refer you to someone else that can help you. Now, if you have not already, please smash the like button and don't forget to turn on notification. This way you can be the first to get these videos. Okay, guys, let's get into this thing. Here are my top 5 networking that will speed up your real estate business. Number 5, family and friends. This can be the easiest ways to get a deal or the hardest way, depending on your relationship with your family and friends or how they view you. If they think you are a great guy, then you probably will do pretty good, especially if they think you're responsible. Now, if they think you are a loser, I recommend just skipping this one because it could actually bring you more harm than good. Number 4, building relationship with people who are around properties. These people are people as managers, property managers, handyman, contractors, and even codes officers. Everyone in this industry knows someone who needs to sell a house for whatever reason. Now, the hardest thing with this one is just keeping a consistent connection with these people. Okay, number 3, landlords. If you know a landlord, tell them that you are trying to get into the industry. Well, here's the reason why. They may know someone who wants to sell, or better yet, they may have a property they outgrew and want to get rid of. This could be your chance. Okay, number 2, realtors. Now, the thing about realtors is this: they make a career. Their job is basically to find people who wants to sell their homes or buy homes. They may already have someone who wants to sell their house. You also want to try to get them to put you on their list, and if you are very lucky, they will call you with off-market deals. Number one is wholesalers. Wholesalers are a bit tricky. They borderline into the world of illegal a little bit, or risky activities or something in that nature. Since they are not all regulated, if they are, they're very lightly regulated and they have no real estate license. So then why did I put them for number 1? Well, wholesalers is like a realtor, but they focus more on houses that has value add, and they build a list of buyers, and you want to be one of those buyers. Imagine having a huge company and you have a guy in your company and his job is to look for the best deals around and bring them back to you, and then he makes a commission. That's kind of like what a wholesaler does, except he has to find a deal first and then he brings it to you, and if there's a sell, then he makes money. Okay, guys, that was my top 5 networking that will build your real estate business. Love to know if you have some great networking that you do, and if so, please write, comment below. Thank you for watching. Turn on notification, like, subscribe, share, and let's start a conversation.